Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before entering into the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also, if possible, comment in the comment section. Today, we have come up with a proposition known as survival of all. This is the greatest spiritual truth of life. Now, what does it mean? Survival of all includes the weak, the old aged, and all, because life belongs to all. Life is not a private property of anybody. Life is common to all. Life is the greatest gift of nature. On the other hand, the other theory, survival of the fittest, promotes violence. Violence is the most ugliest aspect of life. Those who propound the theory, survival of the fittest, brings hatred to the humanity. Why they are propounding such a theory? Because they want to dominate others. They propose will to power. Why will is needed? The search for will to power is born out of domination. People want to gather lots of money. Even enough money is available, they will not be satisfied. They want more and more. Why they want more and more? For they want to dominate others. Domination is in their existence. But the other proposition, survival of all, it is a humble proposition. It includes everybody. In that, children, old age people, the weakest, all are included. That is the spiritual truth of life. We say that in existence everywhere divinity is there. Let us see the beauty of this existence. Beauty is one of the greatest spiritual qualities of life. Life itself is beautiful if we approach it in that way. What is beauty? Nobody can define it. Because life itself is beautiful. If you have a meditative mind, if you understand life, life is very mysterious and also beautiful. It has many attributes. We can explore life more and more. But that is not materially. Spiritually, day by day, moment to moment, we grow in wisdom. Wisdom is not a material aspect. In us, the wisdom is there. We can search the wisdom inwardly. For that, we are to treat the other beings as equal. We have already told that we are the nature, and in nature also we are present. For an instant, sun is giving energy to all of us. Sun cannot survive without us. We can't also survive without the sun. Similarly, the trees. Without us, trees cannot survive. Without trees, we cannot survive. That means life is interlinked. We must be able to appreciate the interlinking principle of life. The underlying oneness of life is what spirituality is concerned. Through a meditative mind, we will be able to realize the oneness of life. We always stand for the oneness of life. That approach is called non-duality or Advaita. There is no difference anywhere. We are with the oneness. Oneness is otherwise known as divinity. Many people call that one as godly, but we prefer to call it divine or existential. Anyhow, that is an inward aspect of life. It is beyond death. Death is also one of the beautiful aspect of life. If you develop the proposition called survival of all, one day we will be able to cross and go beyond death. Death is an appearance. It is an illusion. Already we have told we exist as an energy form. Energy never dies. Energy can neither created nor destroyed. So, eternally we will exist here. By this we can go beyond all the fears. We have all the capacity within us. We can use that capacity for meditative purpose. So, life is not only for earning money, but to acquire this kind of spiritual wisdom also. Then a better humanity with intelligent people will be born. We stand for that. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing the spiritual aspect of life.